This is a beautiful 1941 Buick four-door convertible sedan. This is the last year for a four-door convertible sedan from Buick. There's the side opening hood, American flag in the front here. Beautiful under hood compartment here. This was made in the Super and Roadmaster series. Notice the brilliant red upholstery, gorgeous. Typical steering wheel of the time. Notice the turn signal below the gear shift there. Machine turned dash. And the radio in the middle there, and controls on either side. They really used Art Deco principles in interior design. Notice the running boards aren't readily apparent from the outside of the car. They're disappearing. We have a look at the spacious interior. And I said this was available as the Super and the Roadmaster, so this is the Super version. Notice the bumper guards there and the edge of the bumpers. Notice how the wheels match the interior. Just a gorgeous car, and that black finish is perfect. This car has turn signals that blink the lights on top of the headlamps, and also on the back insignia there, Buick 8.